Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Creface from Shelter of Sursur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a large circle for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. At the top, let's draw two large V shapes coming down. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw a smaller one on both sides. Now top to the bottom, and let's draw one coming up in the center. And then one more on each side. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two small curves down and out for the neck. And then bring it out for the tops of the arms. Now underneath, let's draw another curve going out. And then bring it down for the sides of the body. Now on both sides, let's add the arms. For the right arm, let's bring it out and curve it down. And then close it off with an angled line. Now top over to the left side, and for this arm, let's curve both of the lines going upwards. And then close off the end with the point going in and back down. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and let's draw the symbol on the chest. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve up to the right and bring it down, stopping a little bit higher up. Then from the bottom of each of the lines, let's bring it over to the right side. And then one more curve down and back up to close it off. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and add the legs. From the sides, let's draw a curve down and curve it slightly outwards. And then two longer curves on the inside. Now for the feet, we're going to hop out and bring a line out and curve it down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Creface. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!